Hi everyone, this is the last video for the Unit 3 Phonology. It's about phonological rules. Phonological rules are the relationship between phonemes and allophones, and these phonological rules try to explain which allophones are pronounced in which environments or spelling. And we can say that these rules can make pronunciation a lot easier. There are 7 phonological rules. Some of them are obligatory, while others are optional. Let's see. The first rule is assimilation. This rule is trying to make two different sounds to be similar. The formula is AB to AA. Before it was different, and after that it was changed to be the same. For example, the prefix in and the word possible. We have n sound as the nasal sound in the prefix in, and the word possible is started with p sound bilabial. But it's a little bit difficult to say impossible, so the sound n is changed to be bilabial m. So it's a lot easier to say impossible. Next is dissimulation. This is the opposite rule to assimilation. Because this rule we are trying to make the sound to be different. Like in the word fifth. For both of f and th, they are fricative sounds and they're really hard to say. So the sound th is changed to the sound t. And then we can get the fricative and stops, and it's easier to say. Like fifth instead of fifth. Next is the rule of insertion. That is to add one sound in order to make the word easier to pronounce. Like the word hamster. The sound m is bilabial and the sound s is alveolar. We add one more bilabial sound p in order to make it easier to say, hamster. Next is deletion. This is the opposite to the rule of insertion, as we are trying to remove one sound because it is a fast and common speech. Like this word, it seems to be that there are 4 syllables, but when they are pronouncing, it's only vegetable, only 3 syllables. Next is metathesis. For this rule, we are trying to switch the sound. These normally occur with children's speech, like the word spaghetti, but they pronounce as paschetti, paschetti. Next is strengthening. This rule is trying to make the sound stronger, like in the word top, top, because the aspirated t is claimed to be the stronger sound than the unaspirated th. So whenever we have the phoneme t at the beginning of the word, that will be pronounced as t. Finally, this is the last rule. It is weakening. This is the opposite to the rule of strengthening, as we are trying to make the sound weaker. Like in the word butter. If it is in the fast speech, we would say butter instead of butter, as d is softer than t, and we can have in other words like bitter and better. That's it for the phonological rules. See you again in the next unit. Bye!